Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Fresh Baked Disney, the best of Disney Baked Fresh Daily. I'm your host, David, and I'm here with Liz. Hey, hi, Liz.
Hi, guys.
Welcome back, honey.
I know, it's been like a month.
Right?
Good.
We're here on a Friday night, a night that almost didn't happen, and may still not, but because it's been raining like crazy the last couple days, and the forecast is for a bunch of rain tonight still. But we decided to take a crack at it because, well, okay. Long story short, we had reservations for Blue Bayou, the dining package, the Blue Bayou dining package for this coming Sunday, so that we could go to Blue Bayou and watch the electrical parade with a reserved spot for the electrical parade on Sunday night. However, it's supposed to rain buckets on Sunday, and we're positive that it's going to get canceled. The Main Street Electrical Parade is going to get canceled. So we canceled those reservations, and then I said, you know what, let's just go tonight. Maybe we'll go to the Blue Bayou tonight. I wasn't expecting, guys, there's people lined up on the street. There are people lined up on the streets.
Yeah.
Like they're getting ready for a parade. Are we going to get an electrical parade tonight? Is that what's going to happen? So, Fresh Baked, here's what's going to happen. This is kind of a surprise. This night is already fluid and already in flux. We're going to go find somebody with some information and see. Maybe that's going to. What if would you rather, like, I want to see this parade, man.
I want to see the parade too.
Okay, let's go find out. So we just talked to a cast member. A cast member said, right now, the parade's still on, which just blows my mind. Now I'm like second guessing the decision to cancel the Sunday night thing, but it's 80% Sunday right now, and that's all day. So gosh, that would just suck. But anyway, that would be terrible. But having said that, it's supposed to rain. It's set for like 60% tonight. Because the parade's at 8:30, so it's still 2 hours to parade time. There's plenty of time for things to go sideways. But I mean, worst case scenario, we get a nice quiet night at Disneyland. This is rather peaceful at the moment.
This feels great.
Yeah, so we're heading down to New Orleans Square now to see how long it would take us to get a table at the Blue Bayou, and maybe we get to do both tonight. We're gonna have wow, wouldn't it be wild if we did the Blue Bayou dining package just by accident tonight? That would be wild. Okay, let's see. He said Disneyland's great. I tend to agree. Let's go this way. Pirates is definitely a walk-on. If we don't,
Haunted Mansion up?
Haunted Mansion should be up. But yeah, although it looks dark. So we're not going to Blue Bayou tonight. We're gonna do that another time. We'll probably do that for like an anniversary or something that's coming up, or Valentine's Day. But it does sound like the parade's still gonna go. I think we're gonna get the parade tonight. And apparently the Haunted Mansion is open, and so Liz is losing her ish right now about
the original OG. Come here.
I'm coming. We're good. So we're gonna enjoy a little Haunted Mansion, a little OG Haunted Mansion tonight. Oh, watch out for your feet.
Can I not go this way?
Yes, you can go this way.
Chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the hall. Whenever candlelights flicker, the air is deathly still. That is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror, foolish delight. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
All that's beautiful of the gallery, away from all the walls, as far as humanly possible.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. And now, a carriage approaches to take you into the boundless realm of the supernatural. Take your loved ones by the hand, please, and kindly watch your step. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights.
And watch your children, please.
Para susunod, peralis ka sinta, imantinggalas manos, perasos pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos.
Unlivable here in this ghostly environment. Every room is small things and creatures, and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell.
climbs high over the dead oak tree.
Comes a rag from midnight spring. Creepy creeps with eerie eyes start to shriek.
bring pretty ghosts come to socialize. Where's this book?
That was absolutely
Make
amazing.
arrangements now. We've been dying to have you. Be sure your
That was 100% amazing.
That was like, I couldn't
Oh my
stop
God.
smiling. I missed it so much.
I don't think I've ever been so enraptured by, like I was focused in on everything.
Yeah, I feel like because the holidays just like went for on and on and on, and we've
Yeah.
been wanting. I love the original Haunted
Yeah.
Mansion. Like I love the Nightmare Overlay. It's great.
It's great, it is, but you get a different experience with this, and
That was just. I needed that. My soul needed the original
Yeah.
Haunted Mansion.
Whew, I feel way better now.
We didn't even talk to each other.
I know, that's what I'm saying. I no jokes, no laughing.
No,
it
I
was just straight up. I'm enjoying this.
Except-
I don't think I've ever been that focused to enjoy that. I haven't stopped filming since.
Great.
Wow.
Hey, want to go on Splash Mountain like all the other
No,
people?
no. I want to eat. That's what I want to
Oh, yeah,
do.
I'm hungry.
Let's go find something to eat. So, Liz and I have just spent the last, 20 minutes walking up and down Main Street, and then the parade corridor all the way down to Fantasyland, trying to figure out, how we want to take on the parade. So, it's still an hour to go. Things are. Hey guys, what's up? Things are starting to thicken up here on the parade route, but we did manage to find a pretty decent spot where we're going to get to see the parade come around this corner. Parades are best, right, on Main Street if you can help it, town square kind of thing. We thought about going to our spot back there in Fantasyland, but the lights are still up on Small World Holiday, and I didn't want that in the shot, so we decided to come down here. And one of the things that late arrivals have a chance to do is, you see how everybody's kind of sitting on the curbs and on the benches. Later on, a lot of people just keep moving until they find a spot on the curb, but you can stand right behind those folks that are on the curb because they're going to sit, and you can stand right behind them. So that's what we did. We found a spot here along Town Square. There she is. There's my baby. We found a spot here on Town Square behind these benches, and we're going to get a beautiful view of the parade coming up on our left. It's going to come right around this corner, and it's going to be spectacular. Hi, Mickey. Thanks for bringing the parade back. Well, guys, it's about 10 minutes to showtime, and the last time we checked the park capacity numbers, it was like 40%, and I have a feeling that all of those 40% are on this parade route right now because there's no room here where we're standing. It's pretty packed, and I imagine Main Street and everywhere else is packed as well. If you're here, you're looking at this parade right now. I wonder what the other attractions look like, actually.
Probably like walk-on.
Yeah, right? There's probably walk-ons to everything right now because there's literally, I mean,
Everyone
everybody's
that's in
here
the
on the
park
parade
is
route.
right here.
Okay, so we're like 5 more minutes, guys. Just stand by, all right? Or you know what I'll do? I'll just edit this. That's what I'll do. We've got lots more for you guys to see, so grab a churro and watch our Star Wars Land updates with the Knothole Gang, or maybe our Secrets in History videos. And we're now at Disney World, so please do subscribe and watch our adventures there. And don't forget, you can support Fresh Baked through our Patreon campaign and get some exclusive benefits in the process. Thank you, everyone. Fresh Baked!